Hello world, my name is Darius Singh, broadcasting from Vancouver, Canada. This is a video presentation for my CS50 Introduction to Programming with Python final project, titled Feather Forecast. Feather Forecast is an interactive, animated desktop weather station built entirely in Python. It utilizes Python Weather API to fetch real-time atmospheric data for any city specified via command line arguments. Alright, in the command line we're going to write Python feather forecast .py. Then we're going to write the name of a city. That city could be anything. In this case, I'm using Vancouver. So then
The weather today is 68 degrees Fahrenheit and will be partly cloudy. Humidity is 73% with wind speeds at 5 miles per hour. Precipitation is at 0.0 inches.
And then it'll keep repeating it.
On Saturday it would be 60 Fahrenheit. On Sunday it would be 60 Fahrenheit.
As you can see, I had a
The weather
video
today
of
is
a duck
68 degrees
showing the
Fahrenheit
weather.
and will be partly cloudy.
This app has the
Humidity is
duck
73%
moving different locations using random. Let's try to show an error. In the command line, write Python feather forecast .py. After that, leave a blank space or write an improper city name and watch what happens. There, it points out the error. That was my CS50 project. Thank you to Professor David J. Mallon and the entire CS50 staff for an incredible course. This was CS50 Python.